Okay, here we are in period 3, so there's going to be some background noise, but we're working through the homework here, March 4th, 2016. We'll start off with the vocabulary part, so we're looking at the crossword puzzle. Hopefully you did this in class because all the answers are on the board.
You're talking to the thing!
I am talking to the thing.
Oh yeah, you got a YouTube channel, right?
That's right. So we're looking at, start with an organized method of showing all possible outcomes of a probability experiment. So if you're showing the outcomes, it's got to be either a tree diagram, or a chart, a table, or a list, right? So which of those fits? It'll be a list. It's the only one that fits, right? So you could just list out all your possible outcomes. Here we go. All right, let's do number 4, I guess. Sample. Actually, I don't like number 4. We'll skip that. I never covered that one. We'll do it last. How about the value between 0 and 1 used to describe the likelihood that an event will occur? Okay, if a number is between 0 and 1, it must be a fraction, right? So what fraction do you use to describe how likely something is? That is called probabilidad. Not really. I mean, I guess it is, but in English it's probability. Right? Alright, number 8. The set of all possible outcomes in a probability experiment. And there's 2 words. Some of that's all your outcomes. That's the entire. It's like outer space, right? The whole universe. It's your whole space. So that's called your sample space. The whole universe of possibilities. Okay, number 9, a possible result or outcome in a probability, a subset of a sample space. I don't really like this definition because it's not exactly right. I will use it. My definition was something that happens, right? Something that happens in your life is called an event. It's not really the same thing as an outcome, but I don't know. That's the answer to the word. The crossword puzzle is. Really, though, the event is what happens. The event is the action, like rolling a die is an event. The outcome is what comes out of it, the 2 or the 4 or the 5, right? But that's okay. We'll take it. So, all right, the down ones now. Let's see. We got number 1, a diagram used to show the total number of outcomes. Well, it's the same thing in number 3. So I said we could either be a list or a table or a tree diagram. So it's going to be a tree diagram. All right! Yeah! What's up, Clara? Doing some YouTubing. There's Clara's hand, world. Hello. Say hi to Clara's hand.
Hi.
All of the world. Your hand will now be a YouTube sensation.
Yay!
And now you're a YouTube sensation because this camera is recording me. So now you are on 2 cameras. Yeah. All right. Go work. Or you can help us with this one.
I want to help you.
What's a test or a trial in which the result is uncertain?
Something.
We didn't really cover this word, but we talked about the probability of results. So when you have a test or a trial or a game in class, when I gave you a card, I said choose a card. That's called an experimental probability, right? Experiment.
Yeah.
So number 2 is experiment. Wait, we're almost done here. 1 outcome from a sample space. This is what I wanted to skip because I don't like it. But you can kind of pick it in. Since it's in a sample, it's in the sample space, so it's called sample. No, it's not called sample. I'm sorry. Pretty sure they want simple event. All right, remember we called it a singular event? I think it's on my board. Well, maybe not. a singular event or a simple event, right? A simple event, something that just happens once, right? We want one outcome. If it's number 4, we'll skip it out. A combination of outcomes, right? It's no longer a simple event. Now it is a compound event. And Claire is still on YouTube, messing around in the background. Last one, number 5. One of the possible events in a sample space. Again, I don't like this word event because it's not an event, but one of the possible results in a sample space would be better. Okay, another word for result is outcome. Like, out come the zombies! Run for your lives!
Warning, zombies inside. Interrupt your own risk.
Alright, that's it. I hope you had as much fun with this vocab activity as I did and as she did. But actually, no, don't have as much fun as she did. Alright, see you later.